If you want to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A26, here are many variants of doing that. So let's start with the classic one. And the classic one is our combination of power button and volume down button. So if you're going to hold those buttons together, the screenshot is going to be made. You can find all of the screenshots right in your gallery. Let's go to the variant number 2. So swipe down from the top right corner, open up this panel, and if you don't see your make screenshot option, do not worry. Let's tap on this pencil icon, press edit, locate our screenshot, and let's add it up. Let's press done. So now we can make a screenshot right from our control panel. Now let's talk about some edge panels. So here are your edge panels. However, if you don't see any screenshot here, do not worry. Simply open up your settings, scroll down to your display tab. Here, locate your edge panels, make sure that they're turned on. And here, simply locate any option which has a screenshot in it. Or we can adjust it. For example, let's press edit and we can either edit up or we can choose from one of the followings. All right, it's not here. So let's choose tasks. Let's press edit here and make sure that we have our screenshot. Yeah, we have it right here. Great. So now let's swipe it to the left and press take screenshot. Boom, screenshot is taken. Great. The next thing is through our Bixby or Google Assistant. So make sure that they're set up and now let's try and use it. Hey Google, take a screenshot.
I took a screenshot.
Great, the screenshot is taken. Once again, we can find it in our gallery. Let's follow to the next tab. The next tab is our gestures. So let's open up our settings. Let's scroll down to our advanced features. Here we gotta locate our motions and gestures and locate your palm swipe to capture. So you have to swipe from the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot. Make sure that it's activated and let's do it now. Right, easy as that, the screenshot is made. The next option is our assistant menu. Open up your settings, scroll down to our accessibility. In our accessibility, locate your interaction and Tetraxity. Here it is. Activate your assistant menu. And now, as you see, we can take a screenshot. Screenshot is gonna be one of the options. And the last but not least is our scroll screenshot. So let's open up our settings, for example, and let's take a screenshot with any variant which is suitable for us. Right? So to take a screenshot, tap on this icon, and as you see, the more we tap, the more we capture. For example, we are done for now. Let's open up our gallery. And as you see, the huge scroll screenshot is made. And basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.